We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo.
What's up guys, Brimage here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe down below. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate it to the moon and back. Alright y'all, so today's video is a little bit different. I am going to show y'all how I revive my dead, dirty, crusty looking wigs into a masterpiece. I'm going to show you how I did it with this wig on my head. As y'all can tell by the thumbnail, it was not looking so great before, but I'm going to show you how I transform it into this, okay? So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Also, if y'all are interested in any details of this hair, I'll have it in the description box down below, as I don't remember the specs and everything off of the top of my head, but I have everything in the description box down below just in case y'all are interested. But with that, if y'all want to see how I transform this wig, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is wash this wig. As y'all can see, it looks super dry and matted, so the first thing I do is heavily saturate it with some warm water, and then after that I go in with a wide tooth comb and try and comb those kinks out just a little bit right before I go into co-washing the hair. Co-wash the hair, I use this Brazilian Keratin treatment conditioner, and I stand by this. I use this for all my wigs. It definitely gets my hair feeling just smooth and soft, and I just love it. And it's like $2 at CVS or something, so y'all definitely check this out. So I just lather this all over the hair with a healthy amount, and then I go back in with that wide tooth comb and just comb through gently. And as y'all can see now, the comb is literally just gliding through, and then I just leave it in the sink to like marinate for a good 5 minutes before I move on to the next step. So after the conditioner has sat in the hair long enough to my liking, I go ahead and rinse that out and then move the hair over to my wig head, and this is where I go into blow drying the hair. Now sometimes I let my hair sit overnight if I have time, but since I wanted to wear this right away and because of the style that I want to do, I went ahead and blow dried the hair. Also y'all, a disclaimer, I am no wig connoisseur or professional hairstylist or anything. This is just how I do my wigs. I'm still learning and getting better as I go, so I just wanted to put that disclaimer all the way out there. Now for this look, I'm going for a straight middle part look, so I ensure to get a really good blow dry, because y'all, if y'all have gotten silk press, then you know the key to a good silk press is to have a really good blowout. I'm just blow drying this hair bone straight, and prior to applying the blow dryer to it, I did put this heat protector on the hair. I have that link down below. I forgot to record that part of the video. But at this point, the hair is getting that blown out look that I like, which is perfect, so that when I go in with the flat iron, it's going to look even more silky straight. So this is the hair fully blown out. It's definitely giving Ariel vibes. I'm here for it. So now for a flat iron, I'm going to go in with the chase method. So what I do is that I take really small sections of the hair, go in with my hot comb and my rat tail comb, and just go ahead, not my hot comb, so sorry, go in with my flat iron and my rat tail comb and go ahead and straighten that hair. And I do that all over the wig. Now once I get to the very top where the lace is, I go ahead and I use my wax stick on the roots of that section, then go ahead and go in with the hot comb just to get that part as flat as possible, because we do want our wigs to always lay flat. So I go ahead and do that prior to going back in with the flat iron, and I do this on all the pieces that I flat iron on the top of the wig. Done with one side of the hair, and I'm gonna go off camera and do the other side. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wax stick on the front of the wig just to pull back those loose hairs and to make it look a bit more flatter. The key is to always make the wig look flat. So that's what I'm gonna do, then step off camera and complete the rest of the wig. Alright y'all, so this is the hair after I am done. I'm gonna go ahead and plop that onto my head, and once I have that situated, it is quite snug on my head, I must say. But once I have that situated, I'm gonna go ahead and create a part. Prior to me washing this wig and everything, it had a side part in it, but I didn't feel like doing a side part today. I wanted a middle part, so I went ahead and I kind of created that part. It took some playing with, but eventually I got a part that I was somewhat satisfied with. And once I got that part going, I went ahead with my hot comb, I'm sorry, and the wax stick to just go ahead and flatten that hair and just make everything look a bit more seamless. Y'all, whenever doing wigs, a must to have is a hot comb and a wax stick. Those are game changer items. Like, you definitely need those. So right now you see me going in with my hot comb to just basically fix up the front of the hair, and I'm going to go in with the wax stick as well, and I'm just going to go back and forth with those two items. And it's best for y'all to watch than me explain, because it's quite self-explanatory. So I'm gonna shut up now. And now I'm going to go in and kind of pluck that part a bit just to make it a bit wider and to my liking, because it was definitely not giving before. So I'm just going to pluck it with my tweezers. And then after I'm done plucking, I'm going to go in and try and create some side baby hairs on this wig. And y'all, this was by far the hardest part. Like, creating baby hairs is no joke, okay? It's not easy at all, well, at least not for me. But I did my best to try and create these baby hairs, so I'm gonna let y'all watch this process right quick. use a little bit of this EBIN lace spray as well, just to put on my lace, just a little bit, just to make it a bit more secure. Even though it's super snug on my head, I really didn't need it, but I just put it just for extra reinforcement. And then now I'm going to go in with my elastic band and tie everything down and let it sit for a couple minutes before I come back with the grand reveal and just to wrap up this entire look. Alright y'all, so now that everything is set and the band is off, I'm just going to play with the wig a little bit to get it to my liking. I'm going to go back in with the wax stick and the hot comb to kind of fix the front to look, I don't know how to describe it, but to just look a bit to my liking, to look like how them wigs be looking on Instagram and stuff. I don't know. And then after that, I'm going to go off camera and do my makeup a bit. And then I'm going to come back and go in with my concealer, and I'm going to use that to kind of clean up the parts to make it look a little bit more pronounced. And then after that, I'm going to go in with this Garnier hair serum, and this is going to add like an extra shine and sleekness to the look. And yeah guys, after that the look is basically done. Like, this is it. This is how I transform my wigs. Okay guys, so this is the end of today's video. This is all I have for you. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. As y'all see, I really turned that wig from nothing to something, and I am loving the result. I have all the products and everything that I use in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out. And with that, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, y'all. Comment on my videos. Comment, y'all. Like the videos. Let me know what you like. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you don't want to see, but let's just interact in the comments down below. So thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe down below. Share the video with a friend. Follow me on Instagram. And until next time guys, take care.